Ever dream of becoming a millionaire? Most people do, but let's be real, it's not exactly a walk in the park. With the wealth gap widening, it can feel like a distant dream for many. For those of us not born with a silver spoon, the first step to chasing that dream is way more personal than just picking up millionaire habits or investing smartly. Those strategies often overlook the mental and systematic roadblocks faced by marginalized groups who didn't grow up with wealth. So, what's the real game changer? It's all about shifting your mindset. Getting your head in the right space for wealth is where it all begins. Ready to dive in? Ever stop to wonder why we automatically associate making a ton of money with being rich? It's a common belief, but let's pump the brakes for a second and dig deeper into what being rich actually means. Sure, the dictionary tosses around definitions like having a great deal of money or assets or wealthy, but hold on, what does that really tell us? Just because your paycheck has more zeros doesn't mean you're living in the lap of luxury. A lot of high-income earners find themselves in a tricky spot. They're raking in cash, but also spending it like there's no tomorrow. The mindset often turns into a flashy competition, showing off wealth, living large, and indulging in every whim. It's like chasing after a mirage, thinking that if you spend big, you're somehow richer. Spoiler alert, it doesn't always work out that way. What people often overlook is that instead of letting money burn a hole in their pocket, they can make their cash work for them. Imagine flipping the script and investing that hard-earned money. By putting your funds into investments, you can start generating passive income. You know, the kind of money that flows in while you sleep. Now that's where the magic happens. When your money is busy earning even more money, that's the sweet spot we all dream of. You're not just stacking up cash, you're building wealth that grows on its own. So, next time you think about what it means to be rich, remember it's not just about how much money you're pulling in, it's about how wisely you're spending, saving, and investing. Make your money work for you and watch as you elevate your financial game to a whole new level. Number 1, don't spend your money on depreciable assets. Alright, let's talk about those depreciable assets, especially vehicles. It's all too easy to get swept away by the allure of that brand new luxury car gleaming in the sunlight. But here's the truth. As soon as you drive that beauty off the lot, it loses value, sometimes thousands of dollars in just a few moments. Instead of pouring your cash into a depreciating asset, think about investing in something that can earn you returns. Stocks, real estate, or even a solid business venture can put your money to work instead of watching it vanish. Imagine rolling up in your car, knowing you made a smart financial choice instead of a regrettable impulse buy. Now that's a power move. Number 2, never spend more money than you make. This might sound like a no-brainer, but let's hit pause here. Spending more than you earn is a slippery slope that can lead to a mountain of debt. It's easy to be tempted by shiny gadgets, designer bags, and lavish vacations, but let's keep it real. These things don't hold their value and can quickly drain your bank account. Instead of chasing trends, prioritize your spending. Keep your expenses lower than your income and watch your savings grow. Investing in your future, whether through stocks or retirement accounts, is way cooler than splurging on something you'll regret later. Remember, living below your means gives you the freedom to invest in what truly matters. Number 3, compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world, the magic potion of wealth building. If you haven't tapped into this secret yet, now's the time to learn. Imagine your money earning interest, and then that interest earns even more interest. It's like having a money tree that keeps growing. On the flip side, if you're carrying debt, that also compounds, eating away at your funds at an alarming rate. The key is to invest early and often. The sooner you start, the more you can take advantage of compound interest over time. Picture your future self smiling as you watch your wealth balloon thanks to the incredible power of compounding. Number 4, invest in a financial education. Ready for a wealth hack? Invest in yourself. When you focus on gaining financial knowledge, you're equipping yourself with the tools to make smarter decisions. There are countless resources out there, books, podcasts, online courses, waiting for you to tap into. The best part? It's a lifelong investment that pays dividends for years to come. The skills you learn will not only help you manage your current finances, but will also empower you to take calculated risks and seize opportunities in the future. Knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, it can be the key to unlocking your dreams. Number 5, invest and track your net worth. Feeling curious about your financial health? Time to start tracking your net worth. This is your ultimate wealth gauge, calculated by subtracting your liabilities, what you owe, from your assets, what you own. The higher that net worth number climbs, the richer you're getting. But here's the catch. It's not just about how much money you have in the bank. Focus on building valuable assets that appreciate over time, like real estate, stocks, or a solid investment portfolio. Celebrate the little wins along the way, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your net worth can grow. Imagine seeing that number rise month after month. It's a thrilling ride. Number 6, your net worth lies in your behavior around money. Let's get real. real. Your financial behavior is a game changer. How you spend, save, and invest money shapes your path to wealth. The wealthiest individuals tend to be low-key about their finances. They're not flaunting flashy cars or extravagant vacations. Instead, they focus on building their wealth quietly and steadily. Take a page from the book of legends like Warren Buffett, who still lives in his modest home despite being one of the richest people on the planet. Embrace frugality and prioritize investments that matter. The more disciplined you are with your money, the more you'll accumulate over time. Number 7, lay out a plan for success. The importance of having a solid plan. A goal without a plan is just a wish waiting to happen, and we all know wishes don't pay the bills. Having a roadmap for your financial future is crucial for success. Set clear, actionable goals, whether it's saving for a house, investing in your retirement, or starting a business. Write it down, break it into steps, and hold yourself accountable. As you achieve milestones along the way, you'll feel empowered and motivated to keep pushing forward. With a plan in place, you're not just dreaming, you're actively building your wealth. There you have it, 7 secrets to becoming rich that can change your financial game. So, get out there and start applying these principles. Your future self will thank you for it. We're living in a world that thrives on instant gratification. Everyone wants everything now, right? It's like we're all addicted to the thrill of that next dopamine hit. But too many people are dreaming of those quick results without lifting a finger. Ever stop to wonder why the internet is flooded with those sketchy-looking sites hawking ebooks and programs that claim they'll make you rich in just 30 days? Yeah, it's a wild ride. These websites exist because there's a huge crowd out there desperately clinging to the fantasy that instant wealth is just a click away. It's like they see a shiny golden ticket and think, hey, it's only $29 for this ebook, what's the harm? But here's the real tea. After they hit that download button, what do they find? A giant pile of disappointment. They've just forked over their hard-earned cash for a promise that crumbles into dust. It's like finding out that the unicorn you chased was just a cardboard cutout. It's a scam, just like so many others that prey on those hopeful dreams. Let's set the record straight. The real fast track to wealth isn't about chasing after shiny shortcuts or believing in magical solutions that don't exist. So, forget those sneaky tricks for instant riches. Instead, focus on building a solid foundation. Roll up those sleeves, dive in, and invest your time in learning and developing strategies that truly work. Remember, it's not just about quick fixes. It's about laying the groundwork for a sustainable and rewarding journey to wealth. So, ditch the scams, embrace the hustle, and get ready to put in the effort. Your future self will be cheering you on. What's your first step towards success? Let us know in the comments. And if you're all about achieving your dreams, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more tips on building your wealth the right way.